Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to send photos as snaps. So let's dive in. Now if you want to send a photo, it will show up as a chat like this. So if you want it to go as a snap, what you can do is you are going to click on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen and click on edit snap. Now you can add effects, you can add a Bitmoji or a music or links, anything just to edit the photo. And after you do that, you can send it again. And after you send it, it will be sent as a snap. So all you have to do is edit the photo and alter it a little bit and send it again. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this helpful, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.